Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your beautiful Galaxy Z Fold 6. This time is another heavy duty case. It is the Supcase UB Pro for the Z Fold 6. If you check out my channel, I did the Unicorn Beetle Pro MagSafe case a couple of weeks ago, about a week ago. Check out that review if you want MagSafe. This one does not have MagSafe on it, but it still has that heavy duty protection you look for. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for sending this case out to me for a review. I will have the links in the description. That way if you want to pick it up, you can definitely do so. Support the channel and also the brand. But nice presentation from them. Plain and simple. Pause that if you want to read it. But I like the presentation. You get the little instruction guide. It has the pin in the hinge protection. I think it comes with the built-in screen protector. Y'all know how I feel about that. Give me options, man. Give me options. But that is the screen protector there. And this is the case. It has like this little felt material. The pen goes straight in there. Bam. You have a kickstand too. And the kickstand is sturdy. Like it's not the easiest thing to get out. There you go. Little brand in there, UB Pro. I like this green. So, and then this is not plastic. This is tempered glass. At least that's what they are saying right there. Now I do have a tempered glass screen protector on it, so we'll see how that works out. Let me take this plastic off. Alright, so let's start with the back. Make sure that is in there. You do have, is that adhesive? No adhesive strips. Make sure that is on there. You heard it snap into place. You don't hear that every day with a folding case. But the first thing I noticed is the grip that you get on there. But also, even without the built-in screen protector, you get a lot of lip protection around here. You also have great camera cutout there. The volume rockers and the power button are open, easy to get to. I don't know why my power button is not working. Hold on. I think I pressed it too many times before. There you go. Volume rockers are easy to get to and easy to press, so you don't have trouble getting to those. The touch sensitivity, even with my screen protector on there, not bad at all. Bam. Let's check out the kickstand. If you have fingernails, it works a lot easier. You can watch it like that if you wanted to, like this. Also like that, and then also like that. So you can use it multiple different ways. This is probably the best way of using it, unless you are watching videos like this. Then you can watch it like that too. Now one thing that happens with the Supcase, when you open it up, you do cover up a lot of your front display there. And then another thing is that the hinge don't close by itself, so you have to close it, which is not a big deal. I mean, because by the time you, not a big deal, but someone brought that up in the video. It does not close by itself. It does give you something to hold on to. Let's see if everything lines up. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top there. And then if you want your pen, what you need to do is just, you can stick your pen right in here, like that. And then you have your pen, you're carrying it around. You have enough room in here that it doesn't scratch your beautiful display. And then if you need your pen, you just pop it out. Put your finger right through that. Pop your pen out and you have your pen. If not, it's always there with you. But it does add bulk. I mean, look how wide this screen is here. I mean, it's about, what, an inch wider than normal. So it definitely adds bulk. It is a heavier case too. But, I mean, everything, it checks off a lot. Can you wireless charge? I don't think you'll have a problem. Maybe. I gotta get in the right spot. There you go. You just have to get it in the right spot there. Let's try that again. My charger's been acting up too though. There you go. I am charging it right now as we speak. So you can use this with the charger. Now this for me is like if I'm going hiking, these heavy duty cases, or if I'm going hiking somewhere, I'm gonna use this case to go hiking, riding in the trails, something like that. I mean, people use it every day. If you're in construction, you may want this case for everyday use because, again, it gives you the drop protection that you look for when you have a $1,500 phone. And yes, it works perfectly fine. So if you want to pick up this case, look in the description. I will have the links there. You can get it from Amazon or their website. If you get it from their website, support the channel, support the brand. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.